hey, I was talking about hit all who hold he walked his way international. Alright, let's get started. Okay, wait, we'll finish the wait. Tough one after yesterday, not really any hit something for. So I'm going to wait issue, a final lap of the race, however, it's higher final lap. And let you guys see who went off, who wins the race today at Watkins Glen. Here we go.
And the gap is eliminated. Cindric now to the back bumper of the 10 of A.J. Allgaier. Will he try to outbreak him as they go into one? 2 laps of racing to go from the Glen. Here comes Cindric as he works his way into one. Now it's still just feet as he looks to the inside, trying to take the lead away as they go into 2.
Allgaier tries to throw the block into 2, and Cindric will force the issue. But it's Digger strong in the outside. He'll keep Cindric in the rearview mirror. These two battling for the win. Here's Cindric. He'll look outside. He'll look inside. He's given A.J. Allgaier the business in the turn here.
Cindric is definitely close enough to make a move here, and there's the block. Allgaier makes it impossible for him to go to the inside. Allgaier getting all kinds of pressure here as they exit into the carousel. He gives him the bumper. Cindric on his bumper pushes him up out of the groove, making the pass. He's going to clear. He's going to take the lead now. What will Allgaier do on corner exit?
Did he move far enough away? He used the bumper. They gave permission for Allgaier. Allgaier right on his rear bumper. Will he use his front bumper in 6? Little bit of contact, pushing him. But drives him into the corner deep. Drives underneath him. Going to move past Cindric. Can Cindric stay close enough to him to return the favor?
Whoever has the last attempt at the bumper is going to win this one. Now, he moves to the inside. The white flag is out, side by side. Cindric out in front again. Cindric looking for his first ever win in the Xfinity Series. 1 lap to go, presented by Credit One Bank.
They dive deep into turn number 1. Cindric slides into 10 wide. Digger goes wider. Here they come now into turn 2. Into the S's for the final time in Watkins Glen. Cindric trying to hang on to the race car. But A.J. Allgaier is there. He is on the back bumper. This is the battle for the win. Digger wants the inside, and Cindric will not let him have it.
Amazing run through the S's for Allgaier, but Cindric pulling away toward the braking zone. A.J. is not close enough to be able to do anything here in the inner loop. Through the inner loop, Cindric looks in the mirror, hoping to see a gap between him and Allgaier to be able to get comfortable through this carousel. No mistakes for the 22 through the carousel on corner exit, driving away, extending that lead.
Cindric now has a big enough gap on Allgaier. He can just be cool, be smart. You do not have to overdrive turn 6 to stay far enough away from him. Job done. Now set at turn 7. Comes in a checker.
Brian Wilson, the crew chief, made the call, brought him to pit road for fresher tires. The 20-year-old makes the final turn. He comes in front of the grandstands. He'll get his first Xfinity Series win. Cindric does it at the Glen.
Alright, and I hope all his way went off the way today at Watkins Glen and his full able to win in the Xfinity Series. Congratulations all his way. Alright, now here is his issue at the minute away. Here we go.
Here he is, Austin Cindric climbs out after that first win here in the Xfinity Series. Man, a long time coming. You did it! Congratulations!
Yes! This is awesome. Oh man, I got so many people to thank to be here. First of all, I shouldn't pick up 200-pound plus men. That's heavy. But man, you fans are awesome. Thank you for coming to Watkins Glen every single year. This is why you guys come. Thank you to Moneyline. They're just down the road in New York City. Oh man. Thank you to Discount Tire, Menards, Team Penske, Roger Penske, everything those guys have done for me. Snap-on, Pertec, LTR Printing, Ford Performance. Roush Yates, the best motors in the business. I'm so pumped.
Man, after that last night battle, these fans are on their feet. Tell us, what do you want to say to these fans right now?
I think you're welcome. That was fun, man. That's why you guys show up. I mean, AJ was pumped after the race. He gave me the hang loose. He's such a cool guy. So it was cool to be able to racing for my first win, and man, it feels good.
Congratulations, you did it, buddy.
Thanks, Rollins.
Alright, here we're over here with you out of the way. Congratulations over here with the way here at Watkins Glen. So now, for the 45, what's the point here and what right now out of the weight? So we have title winner, he's a point leader, 32-point lead on the wheel above. So the 42, Ohio 4, and over here with it fit. Alright, so here was a point here and what right. Now we're gonna go into what a whale look right now out of the way. Huh. Here was a whale look right now out of the way. Wake up. We have hit flyer now walk in with a win. And right now, where his war, a final whale mark. A 102-point lead all the way Norway. So it's a big lead right now for the last whale mark. Oh, here was a whale right right now, where his war a big lead right now for the last whale mark. Mostly I would say anyone who is outside the whale right now wanna make it to the whale, they probably gonna have to wear more of the next hit right here. So they always hit more right here before the whale. That's probably what he needs to do. Or he needs some help with his rider who is a whale right now, who like knock out his too late and hit not out. We see what happens his next hit right here. Alright, so I hit that multi already thought about it. Was a great way to say a great finish. So that was he hit her to her way. So now we're going to her to next week way. So next week way is going to be VAR where her war energy. Here is information. So next week, we have a over here at the Mid-Ohio Post Office. We wait for me here at 3 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Wait is going to start at about 3:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and you can watch it on the MPC Sports Network. Oh, we got another 1 hook weight next week for ability. He was gonna have that Mid-Ohio. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. And I will hope you guys for the VAR Westbrook War Energy weight review video next week. Bye everybody.